Assalamualaikum and hi, my name is Nia. In this video, we want to explain about the foundation of chemical reactions such as atom, molecules and ions. First of all, atom. An atom is the smallest basic unit of matter that make up all elements. Even though atoms are very small and cannot be seen with the naked eye, they are the building blocks of everything around us. So we move to the structure of an atom. There has three structures of an atom. Firstly, protons. Protons is positively charged, located in the nucleus and determine the type of elements and atomic numbers. Next, atomic numbers and mass number. Atomic numbers is the number of protons to identify the element. Mass number is the number of protons and neutrons to represent the mass of an atom. And the last one, importance of atom in chemistry. Atom combine to form molecule and ions. Second, chemical reactions involve the rearrangement of atoms. And last one, atoms are conserved in chemical reactions. They are not cheap and destroyed. In conclusions, atoms are the foundation of chemistry. Understanding atoms help explain how substances are formed, how reactions occur, and why different elements have different properties. That's all from me. So I will pass to the Zakira.
For the next topic, we're going to talk about molecules. So what is molecules? Well, molecules is the smallest unit of a substance that can exist independently. It is made up of two or more atoms chemically bonded together. Next, let's talk about the importance of molecules in chemistry. Firstly, molecules make up all substance around us. Second, they help explain chemical reaction and change in matters. Third, the structure of molecules determine the properties of substance. Did you know there's also a fun fact about molecules? The fun fact is, a tiny drop of water contains billions of molecules. Second, molecules are always moving, even in solids. Third, DNA is a very large molecule found in all living things. Lastly, different molecules can be formed from the same atom. After learning and explaining about molecules, it can be concluded that molecules are the basic building blocks of matter. Understanding molecules help us explain chemical reaction, the properties of substance, and their importance in everyday life. Well, that's the end of my topic. Let's continue our topic with my friend Shazina.
Hello everyone. For the next topic, I'm gonna talk about ions. So, let's define what an ion is. An ion is an atom or molecule with a net electrical charge formed when it gains or loses one or more electrons, making its number of electrons unequal to its protons. Next, we have two types of ions. We have cation and anion. Cation is an ion with a positive charge. It is formed when a neutral atom loses one or more electrons. For example, sodium Na becomes Na+, and anion is ion with a negative charge. It occurs when a neutral atom gains one or more electrons. Ions are also categorized by their structure, which is monatomic ions and polyatomic ions. Monatomic ions is an ion made from a single atom that has gained or lost electrons. A neutral atom loses or gains electrons to achieve a stable electron configuration, while polyatomic ions is a group of two or more atoms held together by covalent bonds that carry an overall positive and negative charge. Multiple atoms share electrons within the group and the whole unit gains or loses electrons. Next is naming ions. For metal ions, we maintain the name of the metal and add the word ion at the end. For instance, Na plus is the sodium ion. And for monatomic ions, we add IDE to the element name. So, chloride becomes chloride and carbon becomes carbide. And next is naming ionic compounds. A metal plus a non-metal. We name the metal first, followed by the non-metal with IDE ending. For example, potassium oxide, K2O. And then we also have polyatomic anions. Here, the positive charge species on the left and the negative polyatomic ion is on the right. In conclusions, ions are atoms or molecules that have a net electrical charge due to the gain or loss of electrons. Understanding ions is fundamental to the study of chemistry and help us to know how substances interact in the world around us.
Our group wanted in this video today.
Gain or loss.
We're going to talk about